Taylor Cameron, good morning.
Good morning.
You have a school zone violation, speeding on Branch Avenue. What do you want to tell me about this?
Okay, so that one, my license plates got stolen. And on the ticket that they gave me, I didn't see a license plate. I didn't know that was from the rental car. Somebody stole my license plates from the mechanic shop, and I filed a police report, so I thought that it was for that one.
But it wasn't.
No,
It was
I didn't
yours.
know that till I came in this morning.
You drive the Toyota.
It was a rental.
Oh, yeah, okay. And that's the one you would drive. The answer is you were driving the car.
Yeah, I was,
Oh,
unfortunately.
You can't be, you're saying, I'm guilty.
No, I'm not gonna say I'm guilty.
Now, what are you going to say?
I plead the fifth.
What's the fifth? Is that a bottle of alcohol? What's the fifth?
No, I don't drink.
Oh, well, you plead the fifth. What's the fifth?
I don't know, I mean, you don't say anything, right?
She pleads the fifth, Inspector Carrigan.
I'm not saying guilty and I'm not saying not guilty.
I'm just curious what the fifth is. I don't know what a fifth is.
I want to plead the sixth. It's
The
better than
sixth.
fifth, yeah.
All right.
I want to go with the
If
sixth.
that works, I'll use it.
Whatever works.
Yeah.
All right. First thing is, that you gave up your right to plead the fifth. The fifth is the Fifth Amendment to the Constitution of the United States of Rhode Island, which says you cannot be forced to be a witness against yourself. So
Yeah.
you have the right to remain silent.
Okay, yep.
But once you start talking, then you give up your right to the fifth.
So I threw that right out the window?
You threw it out the window.
All right.
All right. You want to try the fourth?
If it works.
It's illegal search and seizure.
No. Yeah, you can.
Now you have this parking ticket, parking in the tow zone.
Yeah, so honestly, I really don't think that I should have got that.
Why?
Because I was in jury duty and it was a snowstorm. I did not know there was a shuttle. It was the first time ever in jury duty. And all the cars parked all next to me, no one got a ticket but me.
What street was it on, Your Honor?
College.
The judges' spots. That's why the other judges didn't get tickets, because they had a...
Oh. You're not helping me.
I have a note here that evidently they were talking to you before court began, right? And someone left a note to me saying that Cameron Taylor, someone in her family knew Muhammad Ali. Is that right?
Yeah.
Who's
So
that?
he was kind of like my grandfather. He was like my best friend's grandfather. I lived with her.
This gentleman here, he was friendly with Muhammad Ali.
Yeah, I heard. He told me.
This is my brother, incidentally.
Yeah, I know. He told
You know?
me.
In the early 70s, early 1970s, Muhammad Ali was training for his fight at the Fifth Street Gym in Miami Beach. And he was down there, staying at my house, and he would go down to go to the gym every day, and he became very friendly with Muhammad Ali and his wife at the time, whose name was Kalia. Joe can tell you some interesting stories about Muhammad Ali. And one of the big question marks always is, who would have won a fight between Muhammad Ali and Rocky Marciano? Now, nobody knows who would win that fight.
Nope.
If you're an Ali fan, you say Ali. If you're a Marciano fan, you say Marciano. Who would have won the fight?
Muhammad.
How do you know that?
I'm just guessing.
Because he's a friend of your
Yeah,
grandfather's.
yeah.
Now, Rocky Marciano came from Brockton, and he used to fight most of his fights in Providence. And when I was a kid, I went to all of his fights. So I think Rocky would have won, right? So the people who, like Muhammad, say Muhammad was tall, right, and in great shape, and a great fighter, and he would keep Rocky at bay with his left hand and pound him, right? And the guys who like Marciano say Marciano would have been in his crouch, and he would have been banging Ali's arms, and he wouldn't be able to raise them after the fifth round, and then Rocky would have knocked him out. Who knows?
Yep,
They were both great fighters, great fighters.
they were.
Rocky Marciano was local. I knew him. I think he would win. Other people knew Muhammad. They think he would win. Who knows who would win? There's one thing about Rocky, though. He had 49 fights. How many did he win, do you know?
No.
He won 49.
Really?
He went undefeated.
Wow.
0.
You almost hit 50.
You better get another ticket and come back.
All set?
Case is dismissed.